Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Okay. We have this remote here, and we have another remote. We need to test the functionality of the remote. Okay. I'm gonna come here, remote clone, and just try to push the button. Okay, this is a new one, and this is the part number, Chrysler 200 2016-2017. Okay, also if you want to check a transponder clone, you see here, this is a transponder A4 unlock. You must get all the reading like this. So if you want to test a key, you have to test it two-way, like this one here. You see, I test it. Before you do any job, try to test all the keys. You see, nothing. But okay, I see the light is fluctuates. It's bright. But if you see here, if you go back and go to remote, now let me see. You see, remote is working. But go back again. Transponder, read. See, nothing. Now we're gonna do one thing more. I'm gonna open this one. I take this one out from here. Now you see, read right away. Read again. Good. See, that's the reading. Put this one here. Nothing. Okay. I want to get aftermarket or refurbished to see how it's working. Also, don't confuse that not all key could be the same frequency. Okay, this is A4. This is for Durango. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014. Okay, 2014 to 20, maybe 20 or so. Okay, you see, Type 46. So you think that it is the same, but it's not. Look here. Type chip A4, so it's totally different. So do not mix keys in case you need to program something. Read the frequency and see what you need to use in this car. I'm gonna try to get another one for this one, then we would try. So this and this are the same. Okay, I have this one also. You see this one here, you say A4 unlocked. It's supposed to work with that Chrysler, but when I try it, it say dash, but I don't know why. Let's go again on this one. This 46 is not gonna work. Yes. Okay, let me leave this one here. Let me put this one. Unlocked. Okay, let me see this. Unclonable. Unclonable unlock. Okay, we're gonna use this one and see what happens. But this is how to read it and be sure that they're all good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Also, I want to see the frequency here. I'm gonna go back. No, go back. Four, three, three. Okay, so we're gonna try this one and see what happened. This is original from the dealer. Thank you for watching. This is a quick test for those remote difference and how they are working, whether they are working good or not. Thank you.